In order to fix the spigot that we have here, the faucet that we had broke, these are the products we're going to need to use. This is what we had on there before. Obviously you can see there it had broken off. So first thing you're going to need is the primer. They call that the purple primer. You've got the glue, the PVC pipe cement. You'll need Teflon tape, an elbow joint to replace the one that was broken, as well as the faucet. You'll need a hacksaw there just to, in case your pipe cutters aren't able to do so, but you've got the pipe cutters here as well. Hopefully that'll work, and we'll just continue to go from there. Alright, so we've got our main water box here. We're just trying to turn off the water to our house as we've got a broken pipe. So we just bought this key on Amazon. It's just it's a T-wrench. It's got the end on the side. So we had to dig down to ours as it was covered in a little bit of mud. So we dug down to it. You'll just see the two. If you ever don't pay your water bill, this is how they'll shut you out. We just need to turn this knob here over to the right to match up the two holes, and that'll turn off the water to the house. Sometimes they're a little bit difficult to turn. Got that there, so that should turn off the water. Alright, so we've got the water shut off to the pipe here. We're just going to go ahead and clean it off, and then we'll cut it to make sure we've got a straight edge to work with. We noticed that our pipe was cracked, so we're just going to go ahead and use a saw instead. So we'll just go ahead and just use a hacksaw to get through it here. Got our replacement parts here. We've got our nozzle, just picked this up at our local Ace Hardware. No kink hose bib. We've got an elbow joint here. We've just got 3/4 of an inch threaded on one side, plain on the other. So go ahead and put the Teflon tape on. You want to make sure that you thread the Teflon tape the same way that you're going to be screwing on onto the PVC. So this will be clockwise that you'll do that with the Teflon tape. You want to make sure that's straight. This just helps to make sure there aren't any leaks from the faucet to the PVC. So that should be good there. I'll just go ahead and thread this on here. You want to get this so it's straight. Looks pretty good right there. Alright, so now that we've cut the pipe off clean, first thing you want to do is you're going to want to use the purple primer. You want to use that on the inside of the elbow joint, as well as on the outside of the 3/4 inch pipe that you've got there that we had broken. Next thing you can see here, he's got the pipe cement, so I'll put that on top of the primer on the inside of the elbow joint, as well as on the outside of the pipe there. And you want to pay close attention to how you want to put the pipe on here. You want to put it at towards the right angle, and then you'll just spin that on towards the angle that you want it at until it's straight there. That should be it. So you want to check the label on the cement you're using. Ours says to leave it to distribute for at least 10 minutes before turning on the water. and then you'll have full joint strength within 24 hours. So we'll give it a good 10 minutes here, and we'll make sure we test it out, make sure there's no leaks, and should be all set. Thanks for watching Big Owl Repairs. Any questions, let us know. You see our ducks are liking our faucet already. Any questions, we'll put the links in the description there for the products that we've used. If you have any questions, let us know.